Hey guys, tayo ay magko-computer.
Of course, we can also gather from public records. So, for example, kailangan natin ng profile, no, ng resident ng Manila. So, there are also public records that we can actually get from the website of Manila City Hall.
Lalaroin natin evade.
Conducting a survey. So, when we do a survey, of course, there is a
Welcome to my vlog pala ulit. Ngayon lang ako ng vlog kasi nag-swimming kami. Money, cream, roller, accessory.
For us to be able to have the data that we need for our community.
Ayan guys. Ito na lang. Inayos ko na. Money, cream, solar, undersales. Ayan guys.
Mukhang magla-laundry na kayo ah. Inaayos nyo na.
Walang ayusin ko. Guys, ayan na, inayos ko. Money, cream, solar, undersales. Money, cream. Ano sa ito? Money, cream. Mamaya sa isang computer tayo. Nag-vlog pa ako mamaya. Money, cream. Roblox pala to.
Baby Lisa.
Money, cream, solar, accessory.
So next,
Ayun na guys. Money, cream, solar, accessories. Bye, babayaran ulit.